All right, Cuddy. We selling the trike today. And the dude right behind us. All right. Damn, I'm fucking shaking. I'm selling this trike. Cause I don't ride it. I'd rather have money than the trike right now. I don't want it to get ruined, and I want somebody else to ride it. Cause it's a cool ass thing for real, bro. I don't see why people should not have it. And he's from PA. Oh, my fucking heart. Is it my ass? I don't want to sell this. Should I pull up right behind him? Or at a pump? Yeah.
Pull up into the pump because that's a tire thing.
Oh, I can't. Or should I?
Or next to him. Just pull up next to him. I want his little dog.
Can I park here?
Yeah.
Bro. Oh, alright, y'all. How you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is it. I had it for about like 3 months. I never really rode it. I wanted to, but I really never had the time. I rode it maybe like 3 or 4 times. I got it off of someone maybe like an hour away, but nothing's wrong with it. Everything starts up fine. And I just put gas in it not too long ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago, and it still has oil in it. And
See what this is, man? This is just something in your truck.
oh, those are extra tires for it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I definitely think I could fit. I mean, I do stuff for like a truck and tractor pulls,
Yeah.
like a rodeo car, but for truck and tractor pulls. So this would be great.
Yeah.
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 Well, let me ask you this, just because it's. I mean, I don't. The engine looks pretty new.
Yeah.
Are you set on 450 or?
Yeah, I am.
Has it, I mean, you said you didn't ride it much. Chain never caused an issue?
Nah, the only issue I've ever had with it is this brake right here. It just keeps sliding off, but that's it. It's the only issue.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That brake over there works though, fine. I haven't had no issue with that one.
I would think that would be a simple-ish fix.
Yeah.
Well, I would at least like to hear it.
You want me to start it?
Yep.
Alright.
Yep. And then we'll go from there.
Yes, sir. Go right here, turn it on. This is the gas.
Yeah, I definitely want it.
Yeah.
Definitely want it. Really good. Fun time.
It was really fun and it was nice to have.
Because I'm horrible with math, I put the 50 at the bottom. So
Yeah.
if you want to count that, it should be 450.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
It does come with, I have a muffler on it. Here, give me that. if you put this on it right here, it's really loud and it pops a lot. All you have to do is these two bolts right here, you just take them off, and then this slides right out. You slide that in, put the bolts, and then just stick the bottom piece in here, and then that's it. And for the tires, all you have to do is just take this off. No matter if it's that one too, just the middle one, they just slide off. Okay. This is the original foot peg for it too, so that one works good. Yeah.
Better for a long legs person.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alrighty, y'all. Oh, this breaks my heart so fucking much. You don't understand. You don't understand, dude.
Not as heavy as I expected it was going to be. So
Nah.
not at all.
Yeah. Oh my God. Hell yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now what are these? Are these like the
These are drift
sliders?
tires. Yeah, you put these on, you're gonna slide like crazy, I promise. I had these on for a little bit, then I put them ones on, but these are crazy right here. Promise.
My buddy used to have one of these. He said in the winter you take the front tire off, you put a ski on it.
Oh yeah, that was...
Sweet man, well I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Again, nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Yep.
You take care. Damn, he took my shit, bro.
You have $450.
Oh, damn, y'all. This shit is crazy.
He looks so happy riding it.
He said he's a circus or something. Damn, that looks so good.
What do you mean?